Hey, it's Marilyn Devonish from transformationstm.com, and I just wanted to show you this very cool piece of tech because I just love this. And let me turn up the sound as well, because you also get the effect of the page turning. So let me do that. So with this ebook I created about overcoming the effects of dyslexia, dyspraxia, and brain damage, which is sharing stories from people who've attended my photo reading workshop. What it means is you can actually have the effect of photo reading this even if you're not on a Kindle, because I'm on my regular PC at the moment as we go through these pages. So looking at the tangerine technique, which is brilliant for people with dyslexia and dyspraxia, the power of beliefs, a bit about the HUNA stuff that we do. So yeah, it's all good stuff, looking at some of the benefits of photo reading, accelerated learning, tapping into your limitless potential. So I haven't looked at this for a while, but I have to say I'm really pleased with it. So it's 23 pages. For those of you who signed up for the free 2-hour Supercharge Your Brain video training, which is the, what was that, www.superchargeyourbrain.net/free webinar. If you signed up for that, I'm just about to add this to the e-series. So as a result of signing up for that, you get the free 2-hour training. Plus, there are a series of emails that come out to support you. So the one that went out previously was about the tangerine technique and how you can use that for the impacts of overcoming dyslexia. And I'm going to put this one in there as well. So you'll get the link to the actual flip book. So very excited about that. And if you want any further information about photo reading itself, go to www.transformationstm.com. I think you can, if you've got good eyesight, you can see it on the screen on the back of the flip book, but it's trance, TRANCE, formations, and it's F for Freddy, so FORMATIONS, TM as in trademark. So www.transformationstm.com, and the email is Marilyn, MARILYN, at transformationstm.com. And when you go to the website, if you type /photo reading into the URL, it will take you straight to the photo reading page. And if you just land on the main website, there's a photo reading tab along the top. So look out in your email inbox if you've signed up for the free 2-hour Supercharge Your Brain training, because you'll be getting a copy of the flip book, and that will be coming to you very shortly. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.